Hi, I just thought I'd show you a little bit about me making these cactus prints. So I'll just show you the process real quick. So I already printed the first layer like I was showing you guys before. And now I am going to lay this on top of the next print using these Turns Burton's pins. And I'm going to connect them right here so I'll have good registration. And then I'm going to lay it on here and we'll see how it turns out. So I'm going to run it through the press. Here's the big reveal. I'm pretty happy with this. Thanks for watching.